Hey there, amazing viewers! Have you ever wondered how some online stores are raking in over $600,000 by selling simple digital products that nobody really talks about? Well, get ready, because in today's video, I'm about to unveil the step-by-step guide on why you can kickstart a similar business using the power of AI. Now I'm here to walk you through everything you need to know to launch your first product and start making those sales roll in. Let's dive right into it. So, after digging into some research, guess what I found out? There's a massive demand for something as cool as watercolor clip art graphics. Surprisingly, though, there's not much competition in this area. And you know what? That could be your golden ticket. But wait, what's clip art? Well, it's like these ready-made illustrations that can jazz up anything visually. Imagine a picture with a transparent background, like a cool PNG image. You won't believe it, but on platforms like Etsy, there's way less competition for this stuff than, say, planners. Etsy is like an online marketplace where you can find all sorts of unique, handmade, and vintage items. It's a bit like strolling through a virtual arts and crafts fair or a cozy antique shop, but from the comfort of your own home. People from all over the world use Etsy to buy and sell a wide variety of goods, things you might not find in your everyday stores. Check this out. There's this awesome store I came across that's all about selling clip art graphics. Their reviews and numbers say it all, they're raking in some serious cash. But I didn't stop there. I dug even deeper with the help of a nifty tool called Allura. With the assistance of Allura, a paid tool, we can look more into the store's success. We can see how much the store actually earned. With Allura, we can see the store cashing in thousands of dollars monthly and has a whopping total revenue in the hundreds of thousands. Allura is a paid tool designed to provide valuable insights and information about online stores and businesses, particularly those operating on platforms like Etsy. It's like having a secret detective at your fingertips, helping you uncover details about successful shops, their products, and their performance. Let's scroll through their listings. One of them, the Flower Illustrations, is making hundreds of dollars every month and thousands in total revenue. And hold on. Now, here's another store doing its thing. A cool $3,000 a month and a total revenue crossing the 100,000 mark. Can you feel the buzz? There's a real hunger for these graphics out there, and guess what? You've got an edge over the competition, the AI edge. Why? Because you've got AI to supercharge your creative output. Imagine having a bunch of listings up and running in no time. That means more listings, quicker sales. Oh, and here's a secret tip. Check out the reviews. They're like gold mines of information. A product with recent and positive reviews is a great sign it's making bank. Dive into those reviews to know what people love and what they're using the product for. That info? It's like your secret weapon to stand out. Okay, now let's roll up our sleeves and get creative. Remember that AI magic I talked about? It's time to summon it. Got a listing you love? Take note of those keywords, head to Midjourney, and let the AI work its charm. For those who don't know Midjourney, Midjourney is a creative AI tool that's here to be your partner in crafting stunning images and visuals. Imagine having a super smart virtual artist by your side, ready to turn your ideas into eye-catching designs. Make sure to utilize Midjourney Bot version 5 for optimal results. Begin by copying keywords and navigating to Midjourney. Trigger / imagine prompt, paste keywords, hit enter, and presto, you get not one, not two, but FOUR amazing design options. You can also opt to upscale your chosen design by clicking U1 for the first design, U2 for the second, and so on. You can also diversify by clicking V1 for a new variation of the first design, V2 for the second, and so on for a polished touch. But hey, don't stop there. For heightened professionalism, explore diverse prompt guides to craft unique AI images and illustrations. Every prompt ignites endless creative possibilities. Chat can also fuel your clip art ideas. Just describe the clip art you want to create and ask Chat to come up with alternative descriptions, then copy and paste them on Midjourney. After downloading your generated AI images, it is recommended to boost image resolution using AI Image Upscaler. Remember, satisfied customers prioritize quality. You can master image refining by utilizing tools like AI Image Upscaler. It enhances images to 8 times their original size for impeccable quality. High-resolution images help satisfy customer expectations and give you an edge over competitors. But wait, there's more. To make those graphics pop, we need them free from backgrounds. That's where an awesome website, Photopea, comes into play. It's like a free Photoshop version you can access from your browser. To edit your AI images, upload the image you want to work with by clicking on File in the top left corner and selecting Open. Once your image is loaded, navigate to the left-hand toolbar and select the Magic Eraser tool, which is represented by a wand with a star icon. With this tool, click on the background area you want to remove. Got multiple graphics in one image? No worries. With Photopea, you can slice and dice them into separate pings so you can turn them into ready-to-sell gems. Just find and select the slice tool from the left-hand toolbar. It's the one that looks like a knife. With this tool, you can draw lines that define how you want to slice the image. It's as easy as drawing circles and pressing a few keys. Remember, transparent PNG format is the hero here. So, let's say bye-bye to backgrounds and say hello to pro-looking graphics. Your customers will adore the quality. Trust me. Now, how do you deliver these beauties? Simple, a Google Drive folder is your ticket. Upload your graphics, copy that link, and head over to Canva. Whip up a PDF page with a magic button that leads your customers straight to that treasure trove of graphics. Now, where's the stage for your grand performance? Etsy, my friend. Sure, people might say it's competitive, but guess what? You've got the know-how to stand out. Provide value, make your listings irresistible. It's all about making that effort count. And there you have it, the journey to becoming a digital product master. Thanks a million for joining me on this adventure. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help, so hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more awesome content about making moolah online. Until next time, stay awesome, stay creative, and keep those sales rolling.